Sanibonani, welcome to Zulumite Word of the Day. My name is Lindiwe. Igama lami uLindiwe. Welcome to our kitchen vocabulary series. Today's word is hlanganisa, which means to mix. For example, ngihlanganisa, which means I mix. Sihlanganisa means we mix. Uhlanganisa, which means you mix. Now, what can you mix in the kitchen? Amaqanda, ubisi, usobho. Now, let's put them all together. Ngihlanganisa amaqanda. Sihlanganisa amaqanda nobisi. Uhlanganisa isobho. Thank you very much for joining us. Hope you'll use these words in your kitchen. Siyabonga, salani kahle.